Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Erika Selvia and my student ID number 3. I'm from Agribusiness Department, the Agriculture Faculty at University of Trunojoyo Madura. And in this time, I want to explain about export of Indonesian corn commodities. Last week, the Agribusiness Study Program conducted a guest lecture with Chucim for the first time, Entrepreneurship Social Media Management, Case Study of Small and Medium Enterprises and Cooperative, and the second time, Honing Leadership Ability to Form Entrepreneurship Spirit and Study. With a speaker named Muhammad Wahyu Firdaus SP as the Madura Batik Small and Medium Enterprise Media Development Team, and also other presenter namely Muhammad Yusri Muhtadi SP as Field Supervisor at PT Karya Maju Lestari. In the theme of the first guest lecture, the speaker discusses small and medium enterprise and cooperative social media function, which include number 1, building relationship and long-distance communication, number 2, building identity or branding, number 3, sharing information, and number 4, place for buying and selling transaction online. In addition, the speaker also explained about how to optimize social media as a means of small and medium enterprise and cooperative business, namely, number 1, use a team control social media, number 2, keyword and hashtag research, number 3, optimization of social media profile, number 4, post optimization. Meanwhile, the second speaker discussed how to live for oneself before becoming a leader over others, including number 1, be honest with yourself, number 2, set target, number 3, become a learner, number 4, think positive, and the last, be humble. This concept is intended to encourage us to do work at one time, because when we try to do several things at one time, we will reduce our focus of accuracy in working. We must be able to lead ourselves more thoroughly, focused, and productively in various ways before running a business and before leading others. Okay, the next explain about corn commodity. Corn is the second important food crop after rice given its multi-purpose function. Corn can be used for food, feed, and industrial raw materials. Corn is the second largest food contributor to gross domestic product after rice. The demand for corn continues to increase along with the increasing demand for feed raw materials. It is estimated that around 2 to 3% of corn production is used for household consumption. The rest is for industry. Therefore, it is not surprising that corn is one of the commodities that has an important role in people's daily life. On data from the Ministry of Agriculture, Indonesian corn production in 2018 was 30,56 million tons. This condition makes corn cultivation have very promising prospects, both in their terms of demand and selling price. Corn plants have wide adaptation and are relatively easy to cultivate. Moreover, after the discovery of hybrid corn seeds which have many advantages compared to ordinary corn seeds, this advantage includes a faster harvest period, more resistant to pest and diseases, and higher productivity. Around 22 are classified as corn centers as scattered in Indonesia, such as the Provinsi East Java, South Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, Gorontalo, Lampung, dan Nusa Tenggara Barat. Sufficient corn production in Indonesia is also related to the life interest of national food security, including supporting the progress of the livestock subsector. So that it's become the beginning of the development of the poultry industry subsector in the Crown Center area, and no longer relies on imported corn as animal feed. In addition, by acquiring the national corn productivity, it will touch the welfare of farmers' living standard. Rely, Relying on imported corn for domestic will make the economy and local farmer incomes decline. This is the underlying relation for causing corn commodities for export. And the last, about strategy export. There are several strategies that can be taken to make it easier to export, including number 1, maximum use of technology, number 2, utilization of social media, number 3, good communication, and number 4, improve product standardization. At the webinar, Iswes also explained that if social media greatly affect the smoothness of product marketing. Besides that, the speaker also provides how to optimize social media business tool, so that it can be seen that the use of social media is an important supporting factor in business, where social media is able to expand marketing channel and introduce a product quickly. Okay, finishing. Thank you for watching, guys. Dadah.